Welcome to DJ
E don burst o. IFeanyi Ubah, e don start call the gbeke of modern sit-at-home wey Simon Ekpa dey impose.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel, DJ where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o. Make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
The issue of modern sit-at-home for southeast na something wey don dey for about 2 years now. Unto the whole Nnamdi Kanu matter and Biafra gbege, some southeast governor be dey try since to stop am o, but the thing still stand gidigba since o. But right now, IFeanyi Ubah, wey be senator representing Anambra South Senatorial District, don give strong directives make all indigenes of Anambra State stop to dey observe this Simon Ekpa modern sit-at-home rules. Say Simon Ekpa na from Ebonyi State, and Ebonyi State no dey observe this modern sit-at-home like that o. Anyway, my people, make I leave una to watch this video and hear all wetin IFeanyi Ubah talk about this issue of modern sit-at-home. My people, make una watch.
Going 2 years now, for good 2 years, we have observed every Monday as sit at home. But we have cooperated in the spirit of observing every Monday for sit at home. We have also found out that we are losing our economic base, and most importantly, we are losing jobs and business opportunities. As a representative of the good people of Anambra South, Nnewi North being the political capital of Anambra South, we deem it fit to say we will not continue to have sit at home on Mondays. Yes. From this Monday, every business venture in Nnewi will be open for business. Yes. We have our men, we have our system. We know saboteurs will try to come to sabotage what we are doing, but we are resolute to fight any aggression that will come into this town. Yes. I've had statements. To be precise, I've heard from what's that his name? Simon or one Simon that hailed from the This is a warning to Simon. For 17 good times, you have mentioned the IFeanyi Ubah, and I did not reply you. You have been seeking for my attention 17 good times, and I'm replying you today. I've never ever mentioned IFeanyi Ubah or Nnewi again. You have your appearance in the podium there. Your state is ABC state. And you have never ever one day mentioned your state Ebonyi. Ebonyi don't observe it at home. You are in Finland contesting for councillorship or whatever. You go to your job on Mondays, but you want to really go us Republic of Nigeria, and I represent the people of Anambra South.
Yes.
To you, Simon Eba, and your co-travelers, for any one of you to mention sit at home again, you will start charity begins at home. You will start preaching sit at home from there before you continue to mention Anambra State and Nnewi. You are seeing Nnewi and Anambra State as a drain pipe for your enterprise, for your dubious enterprise. I am telling you, Simon Eba, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I won't say more than this. You have mentioned me 17 times, and I'm only replying you once. Try me, you will see. Go and then observe it at home in a room. And then also your father, your family, go and observe it at home in their village. And leave other towns in Ghana alone.
The new assembly will resolve to give it a very serious push. I've started that push by having a meeting with the family of Nnamdi Kanu some few days ago. I'm in contact with the lawyers. We have been talking in the last 1 week. So what our resolve is that we are going to give it a new dimension of legislation and also push. But for us, for 2 years now, we've been observing sit at home, and we don't really appreciate the economic value or downturn the sit at home has brought hardship to our people instead of fortune. So for me and my people, we will not continue with the sit at home. We must go about our businesses on every Monday.
Hey, my people, not be smart now. Now here we see IFeanyi Ubah talk concerning this sit at home gbege o, say na Samuel Ekpa dey impose am for people body o. Now he don stop am like this o. Anyway, we go dey wait for Samuel Ekpa reply, because that one must reply. Una know as him dey do him own things. Anyway, the update wey carry come for una like this be this, so make una drop una comment and una say una reason am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video. DJ